Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the dreamy filter with CapCut tutorial. So all you have to do is open the CapCut. This is a mobile version. So you want to give this video a dreamy filter or dreamy effect. So all you have to do right now is adjust your video, tap adjust, and give a turn down the brightness and then the contrast also. Contrast is about 17 is enough. Saturation increase about 8 or 10. And then let's go with a exposure or the shadow first. This is the shadow. We got 5 or 6. Highlight also 5. You can go with 6 or 5. So the brilliance or exposure is -6 or 5. Let's go fade with 23. And then grain is about 40. And done. And let's filter a green yellow. Let's search a green yellow, this one, about 80. And done. And give effect the soft one. Tap video effect and let's search the soft. You can go with this one, soft. About a 70. And the last one is add the glow here. You can try this one. Add the glow is based on your preferences here. So this is the dreamy effect manually that you can create with your video on CapCut. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.